Hi Vishak, Sabreen here. Just wanted to make a short video to thank you for all the efforts that you've put in to make my journey successful. I had joined the inner circle last year around November, and it's been 4 to 5 months, and there's been a massive change in my in the way I live life now, I would say. And the best part about the program that you offer is that it's very simple. The templates that you've made are very simple. It's very easy to comprehend, and it looks like it's very basic, but yeah, once you start doing it, you realize that it's a lot of effort. And of course, with our workouts, I think most of us were always consistent with the workout, and there was a reason why we could be consistent with our workouts also, because it was planned in a way that one could be consistent with it. There was no unnecessary fancy drama done. There was no requirement of any kind of an equipment or anything, which would we didn't really have to go overboard with our supplements or wasting time in arranging stuff. It was just you making good use of whatever's available, whatever resources are available with us. So that's precisely the reason why we could be consistent with it, and the ease of it is something which made it possible for I would say someone like me who had a really busy and tight schedule to make it work. So I'm really thankful for that. And of course, about the diet also, the fact that you were always very honest with the diet part of it. I've come across so many trainers who would be claiming things like they would be suggesting supplements and what not, things that I haven't even heard of. But in your diet plan, everything was just it was majorly rearranging things, getting the right proportions, and understanding the science behind it. I really loved the fact that anything and everything that was offered in the plan that you had offered was very logical. It was easy to understand, and once you understand things, it becomes then only you can practice it. Once if there's no understanding, then it becomes really difficult for someone to follow something blindly. So everything everything that was there on the portal, and also on the diet chart and everything, that I won't even call it a diet chart. It was just like the options that you gave to us, and the science behind it. You just made it so palatable that one could understand it, one could comprehend it, and hence could follow it. I wish I was stricter with my diet. I took it a little lightly. I didn't scrutinize it a lot. I should have, but then I really plan to in the next challenge that I've just taken, which is the 90-day challenge. And I just look forward to stay connected and continue taking other challenges as well. And of course, apps is something I'm looking forward to get in the near future. And thank you so much, and hope we continue we continue this journey, and you keep and I really hope that you don't get irritated with the kind of questions I keep asking, because I know it gets a little irritating at times, but then I'm really thankful for the fact that you've been very patient in answering all the questions. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next challenge. Thank you.